Okay, so this is what it's doing every time on that first bullet. So then we chamber it. I think we're good. Still may not be ready to fire. Okay, that one was okay. But now it didn't chamber the second one. So it didn't chamber it. She pulled the trigger and it didn't chamber it.
Ah.
Okay, so it messed up again?
Yep.
Okay, hang on. All right, hang on.
Sorry.
So yeah, it did not chamber it again. Wait, whoa. So it didn't chamber the next one. So let's see. Go ahead. Yeah. So the shell was gone, but it didn't chamber the other bullet. Oh, hang on. Now look at that. But that's actually, no, there's another one in there. Go ahead. Oh, hang on. Shake it. Lean it forward a little bit.
Okay.
There you go. Got it out?
Yeah. Got it?
Okay, go ahead. Hang on. Look, check that out. Go ahead. Whoa, hang on. I don't think you're good. Go ahead.
You want me to pull it?
Yes. Yeah, we're done. So, strange.
What?
Whole thing was strange.
Yeah.